300 days are remaining for GATE 2026. I'm creating this video so that I can document my journey for my GATE 2026 exam. The reason for shooting this video is I can keep track of my progress, and there will be a sense of understanding that people are watching me now, that they will put pressure, and now I have to do this. This is of my way of clearing GATE exam. In this video, I will be preparing a strategy, 1 year strategy, 6 month strategy, since 300 days are only remaining for GATE 2026. The strategy will include one video per month, per week, in which I will explain my progress. I will tell you what I have done throughout the week and if I am able to achieve my goals or not. This will include the progress, the what the next task I will do in the next week, and all the charts if I have taking all my task of the days, and also how much progress I have made. And also please tell me your suggestion that how I can improve my strategy, or you please get along with me in this journey of GATE 2026 if you are also preparing for the GATE. Motivation for GATE is simple: getting into IIT. I don't want any PSU. I want to pursue MTech, and currently I'm doing an apprenticeship, so I will be studying along with my job. Please stay connected in this video with me. So next I will discuss the strategy. And is GATE possible with apprenticeship? Yes, it is possible. People are able to crack GATE along with college and also along with their jobs. So yeah, cracking GATE is pretty much possible with it.
Okay, I've created this roadmap for GATE 2026 CS&IT. It will be from April 13 to October 31st, roughly 6 to 7 months. And after that, there will be my practice phase from November to January. Due to apprenticeship, as I told you, after 6 pm, I will study on weekdays, while on weekends, I will study full day. I have dedicated 2 days, Thursdays and Friday, for maths because maths is something which is a bit difficult for me and I need to practice it daily. Due to apprenticeship, I cannot practice it daily, I cannot allocate time, so I'm allocating 2 days, Thursdays and Fridays. So this will be the week one starting from tomorrow. Today is 12. Tomorrow 13 to 19 April. I'm starting with DBMS because in our office also I'm doing some database work, so it will be easy to connect me with it. Then after that, week 2 will be also DBMS. In 2 weeks I will complete the DBMS. Then I will start with digital logic. Then again digital logic. I've also written the subtopics of it. So in week 1 I will try to do these subtopics like introduction, ER model, attributes, entity sets, keys, relationship sets. Everything I will cover in 1 week. I'll try to cover in any situation. And after that I will move on to some important topic from which are very important that gate almost ask every year some questions on these topics. So the week 2 will be crucial for DBMS. And after that, in week 3, digital logic, week 4, digital logic. Then I will start with data structures in May. May 11 to June 7 will be data structures. These are the topics for each week. I will complete it in 4 weeks: week 5, week 6, week 7, week 8. Then again, I have written also maths, what topic I'm going to cover in that particular week. See, as you can see here, set theory in the first week and also relation, and in the second week, functions, basics of algebra, propositional logic, and predicate logic. etc., etc. So you can see here. And then operating systems from week 9 to week 12, June to July. Operating system is one of the very important and scoring topics, at least for me. Then I'm allocating 4 weeks for it. Side by side, I will start probability in maths in that month. Then July, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I will do computer networks. Then compiler design, then computer organization, theory of computation, discrete maths, and aptitude. See, discrete maths and aptitude is a subject that you can do it every week also, because roughly it takes 1 hour. So if you have time, you guys have time, then you can continue doing these subjects, as aptitude is it just require practice. So don't keep it for a particular month, at least do every day. Then after October 31st, I will start revision. I will keep revising every day. The revision is not like that ki after week 22 to 24, after theory completion of theory of competition, then I will not see only theory of competition. It's not like that. I will take, once you have created the notes of it, you can just read the notes in one day. So while I'm doing discrete maths, I will also read theory of competitions in 1 week. Then also see basically these topic which I covered earlier. I'm going to I'm going to revise it on the very next week of completion of the topic. So yeah, revision doesn't mean that I'm not revising after completing it. I am revising it, but this will be the major revision of all the subject, all the 10 subjects which I have covered. Then these are the, I just wrote this so that I can analyze some previous year in this buffer weeks. Like these are the weeks I will just analyze that what questions are asked, what topics are asked. So these weeks are just for analysis. After that, then when once the November starts, I will start giving full length mocks, which will be beneficial to know that how much prepared I am. So yeah, let's start with week one DBMS, and I'll see you on maybe 20th April. Sunday is 20th April, right? Yes, 20th April. So on 20th April, I will tell you how much I am able to cover. I think these are easy topics. I'm going to follow a 12-hour one shot video which is available on YouTube, Sanchit sir. So I think that is easier for me. So yeah, the resources, the videos which I will follow are basically from YouTube, while the textbooks, I'm not going to follow much of the textbook because I don't have really that much time. So just video solutions and then practice the questions which is available in textbooks as well as workbooks. So this is going to be the plan, and let's see you on 20th April. Let's see, I can do this. I think I can do this. Only the thing which is, it is set theory and relation, this will take time, I think so. Let's see. We'll see you next time. Thank you so much.